just got here at Sint Maarten. Check this out. And we're at room 8320. Let's go ahead and go for the room tour.
Hi, this time I had a this.
Nice. First up, we've got all these cabinets for storage purposes. Go ahead and take me to your room. Do us a favor by hitting that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Size bed that I can just FaceTime on. And this is a TV with some drawers. This is closet. And lastly, this is my bathroom.
Very nice. Let's go through the other door.
When I'm done, I can just go to the kitchen to get some breakfast like this.
All right, so that's the kitchen. Here's the fridge. Here's the dining table. Here's the living room. But before that, let's go to our master bedroom.
Hi.
You got the TV as well. They've got our shower, bathroom. Pretty cool.
Kind of the same.
And there's the closet.
Yeah, you stole my remote.
Oh, let's go over to the living room and then we'll go through there.
Yeah, because that's the best part.
Get the TV here as well. Let's do a 360 really quick. This is the living room. And you know what? The very best part?
The ocean.
Ocean view. Oh my god, check this out. And you can open it up for fresh breeze. Let's go through.
Our balcony.
Oh my god, the balcony.
This is our balcony. Live streaming on KTL.
Very nice. Oh my god, check this out. Check out this view. Oh my god. I can't wait to get in there.
We're going to explore the ocean and look at all those boats over there. It's a very clear view. No cloud in the
Man.
no cloud in the sky.
Super amazing.
And we can have breakfast here.
Yeah.
That's enough for
Damn. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment down below. Subscribe to MF Travels and Adventures.
Subscribe now or I'll be under your bed and I'll never come out.
We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.
Goodbye.